you to poop where there's smoke. They pinch back.
Welcome back to Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Improving Grounds. The road to Go Hot Wheels.
Are you kidding me? I told you something to cat truck. You know what? I want you to
Now that the monster trucks know exactly what giant, destructive, huge obstacle they're facing, will anyone be able to make it to the finish line?
Welcome, punch! Boom!
This is Proving Grounds. The road to Camp Crush.
cat truck? Yeah. I thought what do you mean you talk? What do you mean you cat truck? Oh, yeah. I want you to. No one you talk.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Youngster, coming through!
That extra gunk helps Gunksters stick the tricky tumble through the barrels.
You got gunk barrels.
But can he stick the landing past the wrecking ball? Oh, looks like he sticks to something else first.
Thomas was cross. That wasn't funny, he sniffed. But Percy...
Seriously, I need help! Get the fuck out of here, bitch!
Except for maybe the wrecking ball. Sneak attack!
Demo Derby better not try anything sneaky at her own junkyard. What if her and the Wrecking Ball are working together to win? Where is Demo Derby?
And with that double takeout, the wrecking ball is still undefeated.
Never mind, we're good. YOLO! Shut up!
This. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Nah, I don't really feel like it.
Time for me to show these truck tots how it's really done. It's just you and me, Wrecker. Every crush that's come before is a lesson for the crush you're about to embark on.
What is he doing? He's not moving.
He's just watching, waiting.
Almost. Gotta time it just right. And now!
Bigfoot flies off the ramp. Check out the living legend fly.
Whee!
Bigfoot made out of nowhere. The wrecking ball takes out Race Ace.
Oh! Almost done.
You need to shut the fuck up! You shut up!
No, you go.
Fine, keep jumping!
Okay.
He timed his launch perfectly. Right in between the wrecking ball swings. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Bigfoot wins.
Here comes the crush.
Bigfoot knew that patience and timing was more important than power and torque. He walks away with the win towards Camp Crush.
Timing and patience were the secret? Ha! That's easy! The wrecking ball isn't so tough now. Ow!
The wrecking ball timed to crushing you perfectly.
Race Ace.
Ow! You're done. Why you?
Welcome, punch!
Ball takes out Race Ace. Oh, and Race Ace. Find out next time on Proving Grounds. Road to Camp Crush.